the Daniel K. Inouye International Airport on the island of Oahu. The local time is currently 10:40 a.m. We will be taxiing for the next few minutes. For your continued comfort, but most importantly your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and your carry-on items properly stowed until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Before leaving us today, please check about your seat area and in the overhead bin compartments for any articles you may have brought on board with you. Please use caution as you access the overhead storage bins. Items tend to shift during the flight and may fall as the bins are opened. As you leave the aircraft today, please watch your step as there will be a slight floor level change, and please refrain from smoking until you are well within the designated smoking area. For those passengers who have requested wheelchair assistance, we kindly ask that you remain seated until the main flow of passengers has disembarked so that our porters may better assist you. If you have any gate-checked items such as a car seat or a stroller, please allow our ground staff a few moments to retrieve your items. They'll be made available to you in the jetway right outside the aircraft door. If you have any checked-in luggage, you may claim it at the Hawaiian Airlines baggage claim area, located on the ground level of the terminal. Once our boarding door is opened, a customer service agent will advise you of the baggage carousel number. Cell phones may be used at this time, provided it can be reached without unfastening your seatbelt. For those passengers with a pre-clearance wristband, please make sure that they are visible as you clear the airport. There will be an agent directing you to the pre-clearance exit. All other passengers, please have your QR code and your government issue ID ready for verification. As a friendly reminder, face masks are required at all times throughout the airport, so please remember to wear your face covering properly over your nose and mouth. It has been our pleasure having you on board with us today. To our Hawaiian passengers, we'd like to be the first ones to welcome you back home, and to those choosing to visit our beautiful islands, we hope you enjoy your stay. On behalf of all of us here at Hawaiian Airlines, but most especially your flight crew, we want to thank you for choosing to fly with us, and we look forward to serving you again soon.
Thanks for watching today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy travels, everyone.